Welcome to another Bean Pick. This is going to be February 2013, and for this month we're going to take a look at the all-new Tight Spot quiver. I heard a lot about Tight Spot over the last few years. In 2012 I had a Tight Spot, and the 2012 Tight Spot quiver, they had dropped the weight by 10%, which made it a super lightweight quiver. And 2013 they've done a couple upgrades. One is they removed the foam that was inside of the quiver, which caused some problems, and then they also have a little rubber lining around the hood. Now these quivers come in several different hood styles. Now this is the all-new AP Extra camo version that came out this year. There's also Max 1, there's Realtree AP, there's Lost Camo, there's Black, there's Mossy Oak Breakup Infinity. There's several available. You can look at our website and check them all out. But just kind of to show you some different things about this quiver, you can see the inside of the hood, and so it fits nicely with broadheads. These are Grim Reapers, and they fit right in there, so you don't have to worry about your mechanical heads opening. The cool thing about Tight Spot is it has this super adjustable quiver gripper system, and what that is, that's a little hex screw there, and you can tighten and untighten each one of these to establish how much grip pressure you want on your arrows, so that you can make your arrows super stable, where they won't be jiggling or jumping around, or you have to worry about them falling out. And because of the arrow shafts are all different diameters, that gives you the ultimate adjustability and flexibility in that. The other cool thing about the Tight Spot quiver is you have 4 different spots here, but then you also have on the end, you have the quick draw spot where you can take an arrow and just pull it right out. If your quiver is still going around, you can pull it straight out, maybe for a follow-up shot or something like that. The Tight Spot quiver has 2 carbon shafts that run up and down here, and then it also has adjustability here in the middle. The thing that sets Tight Spot apart from the other quivers on the market is how much adjustability you can do. Depending on the length of your shafts and the length of your bow, you can take these screws, unloose them, and you can slide this mounting system up and down this track so that you can make your arrows be the length of your bow, so that you don't have your nocks below your bow cam and stuff like that where you're bumping on things. Now the Tight Spot comes with a couple different mounting systems. The basic mounting bracket that comes with it, you see here, that's what we have on our bow. That's the basic one that comes with it. And the Tight Spot's very easy to put on. It just slips right over that tongue and groove. And then you have this clamping bar, and you just push it down and it locks the quiver right on. And as you can see, that's dead steady. You can't shake it off. It's dead solid. Now Tight Spot also makes a bracket for a movable sight. If you have an HHA sight or something like that on your bow, then you can get that bracket to kind of offset with your arrow sight. But that's the Tight Spot quiver. It's what we use on our bow, and that's the #1 quiver we push and recommend. These are $139.99, and that's shipped to your door. We carry all camo options. You can check them out on our website at www.beanoutdoors.com, and you can go to our online store. You can call us or text us at 336-564-2400. You can come by our shop here in Clemmons, North Carolina, or you can email us at eric, E-R-I-C, @beanoutdoors.com. This is the 2013 redesigned Tight Spot quiver. Thanks for watching.